Kat bagi sni jong ki election kilanang jan. Kata kajingnya kawang ketik jong ki sengsan perthairu kalanang jor hakani gejala Meghalaya. Dang haka kat kendai terik mentau kula lengkot arajar arpuar. Kawai kesengsan perthai kabahe akan negeri kelas sedang ya kejing kedokti ya kawai pat keseng. Haka jing ekren begenong pathai kubor Presiden jong ke BJP Meghalaya State Unit uba Ernest Mauri hagani kesngi ula Kynthoh tenge ekaseng sen perthai kebadan temai kene kejela kata ekaseng Trinamool Congress. Da keboong bagi Sorkar kebelayalam da kene keseng haga jela West Bengal kene ke Sorkar ke bajur tam ke Jingbamsap. Bat kebala duko habarok ki Kampenroy haga jela West Bengal. Halor ke jingkam jong nong elam bahalor do jong ke All India Trinamool Congress ke Mamta Banerjee badai tang keseng Trinamool Congress ke balak banwanra ek Sorkar ke babiang bat ke sensyar kadar ke bakuat ikinong syongshnong jong ke jela Meghalaya. Uba Ernest Mauri uloong bala depet ya berok kiliang haga jela West Bengal kala pulam lut la kalong haga syongsuk syongsan bat ke jingjur ki Jingbamsap. Uneu Presiden jong ke Meghalaya State Unit jong ke BJP ula Kynthoh ru halor ke We Card Scheme jong ke Trinamool Congress. Da keboong badai tang ke jingkular ke por election bat ke jingkular tang da ke ketien. Haka bedai bagi jingjop ki kertong jong ke BJP hagan ke jela uba Ernest Mauri uloong banaki hindro pongut kumbashi pau haduk kat sangut kidai ke badan bah ke jingkermen bakin job.
We have received 123 applications from different constituency. Like in some constituency, we are having multiple application, mean like 3, 4, even like Dalu, for example, we are having 4 aspirant, mean applicant, and even in the Mahandragan, we are having 6 applicant. So that is going on, and I think immediately we are going to convene the State Election Committee, where we will send all the names of the candidate to Central Parliamentary Committee for approval. Date for declaration of candidate will not take time now. Just after the State Election Committee, we are sending all the names to Delhi, to our central office. And you know, the Honorable Prime Minister, he is the chairman of the Parliamentary Committee Board. In that committee, they will clear all the candidates' names. You see, we are a national party. Unless the election commission declare the date, we cannot announce our candidate. And you know, even I think the Congress also officially they have not announced. Only this regional party they have announced. But we as a national party, we have already they have declared the date from the election commission. We are under process. We are going to declare the name of the candidate immediately. Yeah. Though we are a part of coalition government, we are not running the government. The chief minister and all the minister, they are from their side. So you see, we are always standard. We are zero tolerance against corruption. Even in this state Central Executive Committee meeting also, still we are discussing about that point. The cabinet decision under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Again, we are going to start the subsidy in the fertilizer. Already last November, the government has called all the factory who produce the fertilizer that we are going again to start the subsidy on fertilizer. This will benefit to our farmer. And we have support the farmer through the PM Kisan Nidhi scheme, which if you go through a data, almost 50,000 farmer, they already avail this benefit through our government. No, yeah, organic farming is there. They have identified like Sikkim. But in Meghalaya, they have not identified as the organic farming state. So since the demand from the farmer, not only from our state, even from the whole part of our country, so that's why the Honorable Prime Minister has taken initiative by calling the cabinet and passed the resolution that they will again implement the subsidy on the fertilizer.